Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this React.js video tutorial we will learn about React routing. We will set up React routing, and after that we will make a simple example so that you can also create some pages and just walk through around a React routing. And advanced kind of things we will learn in the next videos, like how we can create a 404 page, how we can fetch the history, and how we can use the parameters kind of things, right? So we will learn what is routing, then we will create two components. We will install routing package. We will convert these two components to the pages. I will ask some interview questions. You're going to attempt this question in the comment box, and this is my Instagram account if you just want to join me there. So first question is basically, what is routing? So in web application or the websites, we will create different pages for different functionalities and features, and we will access these features on a specific URL, and we call it routing. For example, in a basic website, at least we need a three pages: home page, about us page, and contact us page, right? And we will create a specific route for these pages, right, or a specific URL for these pages, and accessing these pages via a specific URL is a simple routing, right? So now let's see uh, how we can use it. First of all, let's create a two components. So what I'm just going to do, I'm not going to create a new pages because I just want to show all code in a single page. So just create component inside the same file also. Let's say my component name is home, return something, my bad, return something, and let's say I'm just going to return a div, and we can create a h1 page like home page, and here we can also add some text like this is my home page. Similarly, we can create one more component, let's say about, and now let's just change some text like about page, and this is my about page. That's all. Let's try to use these pages for a moment and remove this h1 text. We don't need it. Just write here home, about, like this, right? And here you can see that we got the both component, but they are only a same page. They are actually not different pages, right? So what we need to do, we want to use these component to the use on different pages. So that we need to install a routing package. So just go here in a terminal, open terminal, and just simply write here npm install react router DOM and hit enter, right? While this is installing, let's check out the official website of the React router. So just simply write here React router, and this is the official website, and you can just directly go on a web, and here you can just get some basic code if you want, then nesting URL node, whatever you want you can get from here, right? And for this video's code you can get a link from the description box. So all right, now let's continue. Okay, we need to just wait for a moment. All right, so this is installed now, and what we need to do, first of all, we have to import something from React router DOM, and what we need, a browser router. This is a big name, even you can use here browser router br or whatever you want. So I would like to use it like a router, right? And all applications code should be, even your components should be inside this router, right? So just write here router. I will import it later, we don't need it now, right? And just use like this. Till now you will see and find the same code here on your browser, right? But first of all, we need to links to open the different pages, right? So just import here link from here, and simply just write here link, and just write here home, and just put here path, and we can say it, sorry, we don't need to put here path, let's put here to home, and we can also define a route slash like this, right? And make one more route like about for the another component, right? Till now you will find here a link. Okay, so we just want to make some space, so that you can just simply put here br tag here. Great. Now you can access these URLs, but on both pages you can see that the both component are visible, right? So how we can just make a specific route for a specific URL for a specific component? For that we must have to use route, right? So just import route first of all from here, right? And put this home component inside it, right? And now we must have to provide here path, on which path we want to open, on home, right? Whenever we will get here home path or like this, then we want to get, right? So just put here home, and similarly just put here about, and here you can just simply use here about component. Now on a home, did I just, okay, we don't need these two things, we can just remove it from this about component from here, and just we must have to put here slashes also, right? And format it. Now on a home page we are able to just get home, on about we are able to get about, right? So if we remove it, we have nothing to see for a moment. But in this video, in the next video, I will show you how we can just make a blank URL and the root URL also for routing, right? And if you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box, all right? And don't forget to subscribe my channel. For this video, I have a question for you. So here you can see that we just provide here our routes inside our route. So what if I just directly put this code rather than this home like this? So will it work or not? You can just answer this video's question in a comment box, otherwise I will tell you in the next video. So bye bye, God bless you.